Oh, this bird was up on the top of the... Look at that. Oh! I've never seen that before. He jumped up and he was down there and he was watching, and then all of a sudden he just jumped up there and got the blackbird. Look at that. Must have a hard time getting fish. And all the other little birds around are just attacking him now. Oh, he ate a whole bird. This is the blue heron I call Grok. He's been here for years. First time I've ever seen him do that. Usually just going after fish, but he stalked this bird that was right down there on the edge and then just jumped up and nabbed him. Ah. Okay, so we're back, and now he's just going to digest. Boy, the other birds in the neighborhood are going to be pissed off. Look at that. There's the bird right in his neck. When he was down there and he was looking up at the edge, I thought maybe he was stalking a lizard, because they go after lizards too, but nope. He just jumped right up and snagged a blackbird that was there. It wasn't a small one either. There's the size bird it was. They're going to be ticked. They're going to be chasing him for days. Well, nothing more to do. He's going to go somewhere and digest for now. Oh, it's a big bird. Okay, that was... There's one right there. Well, that's the end of that. That's too bad. He got a bird. First time ever that I have seen it, and I've been here 12 years.